circles and tangents. In the table, the first figure, a circle with center O, a straight line PQ is given. Straight line PQ does not touches the circle. There is no common point between the straight line and the circle. Thus, the number of points of intersection of a line and the circle is 0. In the figure 2, circle and the straight line is given. Circle center O, the straight line PQ. That PQ touches a point at A on the circle. Straight line PQ touches the circle at a common point A. PQ is called the tangent to the circle at A. Thus, the number of points of intersection of a line and circle is 1. In the third figure, a circle and a straight line is given. Circle center is O, a straight line PQ. The PQ intersect at 2 points on the circle A and B. Straight line PQ intersect the circle at 2 points A and B. The line PQ is called secant of the circle. Thus, the number of points of intersection of a line and the circle is 2. Note, the line segment AB inscribed in the circle in figure 4.52c is called chord of the circle. AB is the chord of the circle. Thus, a chord is subsection of a secant. Definition: if a line touches the given circle at only one point, then it is called tangent to the circle. Some results on circles and tangents. First one, a tangent at any point on a circle and the radius through the point are perpendicular to each other. Here a circle with the center O. OP is the radius. AB is the straight line that touches at the circle at point P. So AB is the tangent. OB is radius. The radius and the tangent are perpendicular to each other. Second one, A. No tangent can be drawn from an interior point of the circle. Here, the circle center is O. A straight line AB is there. It intersects the circle. A point P is interior point. So, it is not possible to draw a tangent. B. Only one tangent can be drawn at any point on the circle. The circle center O, AB is the straight line, it touches a point on the circle P. So AB is the tangent. Only one tangent can drawn from the point, only point on the circle. Third one, two tangent can be drawn from an exterior point of a circle. P is the exterior point. Here a circle, its center is O. BA and BB are drawn. PA and BB are two tangents to the circle. P is the exterior point. Third one, the length of the two tangents drawn from an exterior points to a circle are equal. See the figure. Already you know the radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. So OA and OB are radius, PA and PB are tangents. So OA is perpendicular to PA, OB is perpendicular to BB. Also, OA is equal to OB, that is radius. OP is common side of the two triangles. So, angle AOP is equal to angle POB. Therefore, by SAS rule, triangle OAB is similar to triangle OBB. Hence, PA is equal to BB. The length of the tangents are equal. Fourth one. If two circles touches externally, the distance between their centers is equal to the sum of their radii. That is, OB is equal to R1 plus R2. Here, two circles are there. The first circle center is O. This is the biggest circle. The radius is R1. The second circle is the smallest circle. Its center is P. It touches at a point P, point Q. The center are the distance between the centers to find. Let two circles with centers at O and P touches other at Q. Let OQ is R1 and PQ is R2. Let R1 is greater than R2. The distance between their centers OP is D. It is clear from the figure 4.57 that when the circle touches externally, OP is equal to D is equal to OQ plus PQ, that is R1 plus R2. Fifth one. If two circles touches internally, the distance between their centers is equal to the difference of their radii. That is, OP is equal to R1 minus R2. Two circles are there. So, they touches each other internally at the point Q. The bigger circle center O is radius is R1. The smaller circle radius center is P, radius is R2. Let two circles with center at O and P touches each other at Q. Let OQ is R1 and PQ is R2, and let R1 is greater than R2. The distance between their centers OP is equal to D. It is clear from the figure that when the circle touches internally, OB is equal to D is equal to OQ minus PQ. OP is equal to OQ is R1 minus PQ is R2. R1 minus R2. That is difference of the two radii. Sixth one. The two direct common tangent drawn to a circles are equal in length. That is, AB is equal to CD. Here, two circles are there. A smaller and a bigger circle. P is a point on the exterior of the two circles. A line is drawn each side. The line from the P point touches point A, B and here A. Another line point D and point C. The length of the tangent drawn from P to the two circles are equal. PA is equal to BC. PB is equal to BD. BA minus BB is equal to BC minus BD. We get AB is equal to CD. Example number 4.24. Find the length of the tangent drawn from a point whose distance from the center of a circle is 5 cm and the radius of the circle is 3 cm. A circle is given there. Its radius is 3 cm. A point P is at a distance from the center 5 cm. From the point to draw a tangent to the circle, touches the circle on T, the point T. OT is the radius 3 cm. OB is the distance from the center and the point exterior point P, that is 5 cm. To find the length of the tangent PT. Tangent and radius are perpendicular to each other, so we get a right angle triangle. OP is hypotenuse. OT and PT are other two sides. Given OB is OP is 5 cm. Radius R is 3 cm. To find the length of the tangent PT in right angle triangle OTP, OB square is equal to OT square plus PT square by Pythagoras theorem. OB is 5 square is equal to OT is 3 square plus PT square gives PT square 5 square 25 minus 3 square 9, 25 minus 9 16, PT square is 16, taking square root we get PT is equal to 4. Length of the tangent PT is 4 cm. Example number 4.25. PQ is a chord of length 8 cm to a circle of radius 5 cm. The tangent at P and Q intersect at a point T. Find the length of the tangent TP. A circle is given, its radius is 5 cm. A chord is there, PQ is the chord, its length is 8 cm. T is the exterior point. From the center, OT is the distance between the exterior point and the center. The PQ is intersect at OT or RT is taken as Y. PR is 4 cm, RQ is 4 cm. Let TR is Y. Since OT is perpendicular bisector of PQ, PR is equal to QR is equal to 4 cm. In triangle ORP, OP square is equal to OR square plus PR square. OR square is equal to OP square minus PR square. OR square is equal to OP is 5 square minus PR is 4 square. We get 25 minus 16, that is 9. So QR square is 9, QR is 3 cm. OT is OR plus RT. OR is 3, RT is Y. 3 plus Y taken as 1. OT is 3 plus Y. In triangle PRT, TB is the hypotenuse. TB square is equal to TP square is equal to TR square plus PR square taken as 2. And triangle OPT, OT is the hypotenuse. OT square is equal to TB square plus OP square. OT square is equal to TP is from 2. TR square plus RB square plus OB square. OT is 3 plus Y. OT is 3 plus Y. The whole square is equal to TR square is Y. Y square plus PR square is 4 square plus OB is 5 square. 3 plus Y the whole square, that is 9 plus 6Y plus Y square is equal to Y square plus 4 square 16 plus 5 square 25. Y square cancel. 16 plus 25 41. 6Y is equal to 41 minus 9. 6Y is equal to 41 minus 9. 41 minus 9 32. Y is equal to 32 by 6. 32 and 6 cancel by 2. We get 16 by 3. Y is 16 by 3. From 2, TB square is equal to TR square plus RB square. TB square is equal to TR is Y. Y is 16 by 3. 16 by 3 the whole square plus PR square is 4. PR is 4. PR square 4 square is equal to 16 square 256 by 3 square 9 plus 16. Taking LCM we get 256 plus 16 into 9 144. 256 plus 144 we get 400. 400 by 9. TP square is 400 by 9. Taking square root we get TB is equal to square root of 420. Square root of 9, 3. 20 by 3 centimeter. TB 20 by 3 centimeter. That is the length of the tangent. Example number 4.26. In figure 4.64, O is the center of a circle. PQ is a chord and the tangent PR at P makes an angle of 50 degree with PQ. Find angle POQ. Here PQ is the chord. PR is the tangent. It makes with the chord angle 50 degree. OP is the radius. OB is perpendicular to PR. We make angle 90 degree. Angle OPQ is 90 minus 50 is 40 degree. Angle between the radius and tangent is 90 degree. OP is equal to OQ. Radii of a circle are equal. Angle OPQ is equal to angle OQB is 40 degree. Triangle OPQ is isosceles. Angle OPQ is equal to 180 minus angle, sum of the angle in a triangle is 180. So angle POQ is 180 degree minus angle OPQ minus angle OQB. Angle POQ is 180 degree minus 40 degree minus 40. 40 plus 40, 80. 180 minus 80, 100 degree. Example number 4.27. In figure 4.65, triangle ABC is inscribing a circle. Find the length of BC. Here AB is given. AN is 3 cm, PN is 4 cm, AC is 9 cm is given. To find BC. Here A is the exterior, A, B, C are the exterior point of the circle. So AN, AM are tangent of equal length from the point, exterior point A. So AM is also 3. Here CM, AC is 9, AM is 3. So CM is 9 minus 3, 6. AN is equal to AM is equal to 3 cm. Tangent drawn from some external point are equal. PN is equal to PL is 4. PN and PL are 4. CL is CM. CM is AC minus AM. AC is 9 minus AM is 3. 9 minus 3, 6 cm. Gives BC. BC is BL plus CL. PL is 4. CL is 6. 4 plus 6, 10 cm. Example number 4.28. If radii of two concentric circles are 4 cm and 5 cm, then find the length of the chord of one circle which is a tangent to the other circle. Here two circles are given. The two circles are concentric circle. It has the same center O. The inner circle radius is 4 cm. The outer circle radius is 5 cm. A chord is in the outer circle BC, that is the tangent to the inner circle. To find the length of the chord, OA is 4 cm, OB is 5 cm. Also OA is perpendicular to BC. BC is the tangent to the inner circle. So radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. In triangle OBA, OB is hypotenuse. OB square is equal to OA square plus PAB square. OB 5 square is equal to OA 4 square is equal to AB square. 5 square 25, 4 square 16, 25 minus 16 we get 9. AB square is equal to 9. Therefore AB is 3 centimeter. Taking square root we get AB is 3 centimeter. BC is 2 times of AB. BC is 2 into AB. Then BC is 2 into 3, 6 centimeter. The length of the chord is 6 centimeter.